Good morning, everyone. It's a smoky morning. Look at the smoke. It's like, wow. I can't even see the mountains from here. It's just so smoky. You can see the sun is red. Everything's looking so dry on this part of the yard. There's the train. There's the train. I just love the train. My little grandbaby loves the train too. He goes, train, train, grandma. Yeah, it's so red. Hey, little babies. Can you see the little baby chickies? Hard to see them. Hey, mama. What are you doing? Got little baby chickies. Right, Pickles? Oh, it's a wonderful morning. It's very smoky, but I'm not worried. It's up on the mountains, not near us. Hope they get them out soon, though. Right, Pickles? Are you a good boy? Come on. Let's go back. Oh, yes. There you go. Oh, but it is a beautiful summer. Very warm. Very warm. Come on. Very warm out. Ah, the gardens. The gardens are just growing and blooming like always. It's so pretty because of course I got my coffee here. I have a sump pump in the pond, the duck pond out here. And it is doing its job. It's watering my gardens. Look at this. It's just so beautiful. My gardens are so huge. They would be bigger if it was more rain because we haven't gotten any rain. No rain happening. And the sump pump just works away. Love it. Anyways, I better go. Don't want to be outside too long in the smoke. See, you can't even see the mountains. Oh. It's all good though. This does happen. Love you guys. Have a good one. It's a beautiful day. We'll talk soon. Think positive. Positive thoughts. Bye.